My better people, now welcome to my channel. Like here for my channel, I give sewing tutorials and pattern drafting on how to make clothes and also how to keep good skincare routine. So for this video, I want to share with you now how to do pattern drafting for corsets. I don't get plenty talk say how far mama is supposed to run this thing for us and about this corset making, because my last video now about Victorian corset, because we get different type of corsets, but specifically for this one we do without bra cup. So my people, I hope so now going enjoy this video. I don't go ahead set my paper. What I go do now to put my basic body measurements, my shoulder to nipple, shoulder to under bust, my chest line and the waistline. I go mark her out. So my people, I be more than novels. When I don't use my exact measurements and my measurements, I'm gonna do that mistake. When I use my own personal measurement or whatever measurement, so I won't use not this exact one right is, because this one are my own measurement. So when I decide at the same mark, I go extend the line called labella. The first line are chest line, the second one are the nipple line, the third one are under bust, and the last one are the waistline. So I will go ahead and mark my shoulder, then I will put my basic neckline. This part shall not be necessary except if the blouse get yoke, but the necessary for this to wrap. I will just put some on and save my basic measurements. Wait at the mark now, my nipple to nipple measurement 3.5. So I will mark that line from the chest line down to the waistline. Wait till you get between your under bust and your bust line. Now 3 I get for you. So I take that 3 round. Besides I say place the tape for the bust line, I'll take an around, mark that 3, make it form like circle. Now this one will guide us as they take from our cup shape. So the next thing I'll to mark 0.5 on for that waistline. It says I will mark 0.5 on both sides. The same time we'll do for the under bust, 0.5 on both sides. Now if you use 1 inch though, based on your bust size, but me I use 0.5 because I did notice that 1 inch too plenty for me. Now don't cover and go the bust line. That same 0.5 I will mark for the chest line. I'll come cover. If you use your French curve, if you don't get French curve, if you use idea, I use stick of room, just bend them. So they do in those days if they do graph for school. Now the next step go determine how much cleavage you want show. If you go down past that chest line, they show plenty cleavage, but if you go up, you no go to show cleavage. But me I use this my chest line measurement now, so I will mark 0.5 inches. This now how much the space between the two cups. By the time I open, I will be 1 by the time I finish. So now we can connect that 0.5 I mark for that midpoint, connect them to the bust line. Me form, you see as I say connect them back, I can forget about that dotted line. That one not really necessary. Now go mark 1/2 inch, sorry, to give and make extra space, make the cup not too small, because better make the extra than make it too small. So I don't cover and join them. You can cover and go the armhole side, sorry. So it says I take cover now, so we go do them. If your own they come out like this, it means you don't make mistake somewhere. If you go back again, check her. But practice make perfect. So the first time if you don't get it right, but we'll go get there. So now I don't cover, carry and go. Remember I said that upside not today necessary. I cover and go down because if now something with sleeveless, no need. Now I will put my measurement. For my bust measurement, I will divide them by 4. Then I will add extra 1.5 inch for sewing allowance. For the other parts where you see get opening for that, I will mark my weight, put my waist measurement there, but I will check what I get for the in between that space and a 1 inch. I add that 1 inch, then add my 1.5 where I go add for allowance. So you see I will mark up. I get 1 inch too for that waistline side for that opening. I will add that 1 inch, then add my normal 1.5 join. So that place where they add 1 inch, now I will mark straight to that side. Now I no get any hemming and seaming allowance, but why the second one gets seaming allowance. So if I cut out the second one, no need for me to put seaming allowance if I cut out for the main material. So that one no dey important. I fit cut that one out, but me as I usually say I always like add my seaming allowance so I no go do mistake no cut out for the main material. Now if you want to do back waistline, you say I carry 4 inches from the waistline, carry and come down. If you the highest now 4, then I'll come slant and do I take slant am. But for this video, we know they use back waistline and normal waistline. But for my next video tutorial, I will show now how to sew corset with back waistline. Now we'll cut them out, but not be everything, because we go see use this front take cut the back. I'd always like me everything did the same. When I feel cut and different, but no cut and different. Now we'll give space for zip allowance. You see that space? Then I will mark that line for the other. You see, I just put dot there to mark the line. I'll trace them out for this other paper. Now the back so won't cut though. I go trace them out, mark the center and mark the armhole side. You see the back. The neckline now for the armhole will just go straight, so I go call mark them out, cut am. Now if we do with lacing, it go dey different. If you want lower the back too, you will feel lower the back, but this one I just take them straight. So I don't go ahead write the zip allowance, mark out that zip allowance I mean see am clearly. Then for the that line I go extend them. You see that I extend the that line so that I go dry me go do exactly the same thing with the front. So I make I place them on top first. I use that front take back out the that line. If you want do with lacing, you go cut out the zip allowance, come still add maybe 1.5 for down with 2 inches for up if you want me slant, or if you add the same 2 inches if na normal straight lacing you want. But na slanted lacing it go dey different. So I just gave how that lacing this thing go tube go dey. That is if na lacing, but this one na with zip allowance. So I don't give an expo for now they do lacing or they use zip allowance. So now I will cut them out. Now we don't cut the back, we fit cut the front finish. You see as I say cut them exactly like this. Cut out all those places. Then for the cup, we no follow the trace line. You know that dotted line we no go follow. Now that main side we go follow. So I beg more don't forget to support Una Girl by subscribing to our channel and liking my videos. So now I'm gonna go ahead mark the brow cup so I no go dey confused 1 and 2, the center back and the center front. If I open and so you go take the now say my I never even sew and say they do like say my the paper. So I hope say this video dey helpful to Una and Una understand and enjoy the video. Like I said before, when I get any question, Una ask me. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I also enjoyed that video. If you get any question, don't forget to drop comment for the comment section. Don't forget to like and share. For those of you who don't subscribe to my channel before, Una thank you when on a trypass. And for those of you who come back, we stay, thank you. For our newcomers, welcome. I hope you enjoy my video and I'll continue to show more video too. Keep on watching. Love you guys. Bye.